Hello everybody out there, rebuilding my 1955 Hillman Minx 1390 overhead valve engine. It comes to the point where I need to fit the back plate, timing chain, etc. And line that all up. As you're probably well aware, you need to line up top dead centre on the crankshaft, which it is, and then line up the two little dots like so to give you the camshaft timing up. But just to let you know, and you may or may not know, but when it's like that on top dead centre, and then you line up that mark like that, so just to show you there's a demonstration thing on there, you may automatically assume that that's firing on number 1 cylinder, so you can line up your distributor and things like that afterwards. In fact, it's not. It's actually firing on number 4 cylinder, and the reason I know that is because of the way the camshaft lobes are on here. If you look at one there to the left, one there to the right, which means to say that the valves are rocking on those 2 cylinders. And anybody that knows how camshaft work means to say that the opposite cylinder is actually firing. So number 4 is firing. So if I come up here, again you'll see the 2 lobes, one there, which means to say that they are furthest away from the push rod. And so the push rods are on the back of the cam. So that means both valves are shut and it's firing on number 4 cylinder. Okay, just to be aware of that. I'm sure a few people have done that and assume that it's number 1. I always double check on that because I've come across it before, and it's exactly the same on here. For that to be firing on number 1 cylinder, that in fact has to be all the way across there, another 180 degrees like so. But clearly it's a lot more awkward to line up the 2 marks across there like so. Why they would do that, I've no idea. Why they wouldn't just put a little dot there to line it all up in number 1, I don't know. Whereas in fact, if you line those 2 up there, just to reiterate, you're actually on number 4, firing on number 4 cylinder and not number 1. All right, public information film for you. I hope that's useful information to somebody at some stage, at some time in the future. Cheers.